The 17th of June 2003, and we're on a high lift machine, 80-foot extended high lift machine, examining the exterior damage and concussion parts. Okay, I'm going to swivel us in. Now I'm going to... This is where these steel plates, where the beams, the steel that was on this roof structure of this building next door were resting. And when they went down, you could see they just totally popped the top wall, and they formed compressive damage beyond their kind of knocking against the building as they went down, along with the slabs as well. So each of them have sort of a trail. You can follow the trail on down. Okay. So obviously the top is just totally gone there. The parapet that's breached through to the interior, you can see my roof framing there, the rafters, and sort of going on back into the structure. And you can see here where the wall is totally breached and undermined, and that's my framing from the 80s of the roof rafters in there, and it all looks just about to go over at any moment now. A good wind, and I'm surprised it hasn't gone over yet. But there's my tarp, what's left of it, pulled up on the roof. We pulled it up this morning to uncover, expose this wall so that everyone involved in this analysis could see it today. You can see some of the damage is quite extensive, big, giant pocks that are bashed out of the building. It's really hard to get a sense of scale, but here I'll zoom back and you can kind of see overall this is a 60-foot high wall, and that thing there is about 6 feet in diameter. It's in the back portion, down somewhere in there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and that's where the damage to the first floor is occurring, somewhere down in this mess, but it's hard to decipher because it's underneath a bunch of concrete slabs and twisted steel columns, and it's hard to tell what's connected to what and where what has come from. The rest of the site, I'll zoom back, is just a literal mess. Surrounding me is this is Ortlieb's Jazz House here off to my side, to my left, to my side, and then below is just a wasteland of snarled steel beams, rubble, pipes, and concrete slabs. During the course of demolition, the first alarming thing that occurred was when the demolition people were pounding on these tanks with their machines to try and flatten them or make them smaller to get them into dump trucks. And I had to go out and just say, you know, look, you've got to stop this. And I should have taken that as a first sign that I had some uncooperative workers next to me.